How to delete stuff from your inventory in Blox Fruits. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to find out whether it is possible to remove stuff from your inventory on Blox Fruits or not. So now let's get started. So what things that you can remove is devil fruits. So you can just open your inventory, select the fruit and choose drop. You can also sell or trade, give them to other players, and use the remove Blox Fruit NPC, which is located in the first sea prison or the third sea castle. It costs 50,000 belly to unequip a fruit, which allows you to swim again. You can also remove the materials, which is for upgrading swords or quest. These are automatically used when crafting, upgrading, or doing the quest. You don't need to delete them manually. And you can also remove the fruits by eating. Eat unwanted fruits to remove them. But what you can't remove is swords, guns, and accessories. Once you get these items, they are permanent, and you can't delete or discard them. So you can manage your fruits and materials, but swords, guns, and accessories are permanent. Keep your inventory clear of unwanted fruits and materials to focus on your adventure. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.